How to delete Twitch account. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your browser. And just like that, inside the browser, you can simply search for twitch.tv/user/delete-account. Once you have done that, you can simply log into your account. Once logged in, you will be able to find a option that says delete account. You have to type in the account you want to delete, and then you can simply type in the reason you're deleting your account, which is optional. After that, you can simply tap on delete button and that's it. Your account will be scheduled for deletion. But the important thing to know is that this action is permanent. Your profile content and data will be removed. However, deletion is not instant. Twitch gives you a grace period of 90 days. That means you can still recover your account within that time. After 90 days, your account will be permanently deleted. So if you change your mind, make sure to act before the period ends. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.